Hello guys, today we have this giant kennel dog house. It is made by PawGiant. We're gonna go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. Okay, so we're done building our giant kennel house for dogs. This is a very nice construction, very simple to build. Builds within minutes. You know, we took about 10 minutes, and the dog is gonna stay safe right there. It also includes some ground stakes that you can actually use if you need to attach this, for instance, to the turf or to the ground. Very nice cage. This is actually UV protectant, so the dog, you can make sure that he's not gonna suffer from the sun or anything, because this will provide shade for him. It is overall a very nice cage. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.